It's New Year's Eve!
And we're going to see you in the new year, crazy invention style.
3, 2, 1.
If you found this channel through the YouTube Makers Secret Santa collab, welcome.
Hi.
We build and test a kid's invention every single month.
And we're going to carry on doing that right through 2020.
But we've always wanted to build more kids' invention ideas.
And YouTube is totally changing the way that videos for kids are going to work.
So this year, it's going to work a little bit differently.
So if you know of any mini inventors who deserve to have their inventions brought to life, we are the people to do it. And they can send us their ideas on our website,
which will appear on the screen below.
And you can sign up to our mailing list to be kept posted of all the future challenges we do every single month.
And there'll be a link to that mailing list in the description of this video. So this year, we won't be doing a video every week, but we will still be bringing to life a kid's invention every single month.
And we're launching something new for 2020 called our mini builds, where we're giving kids even more chances to have their invention ideas brought to life.
So if your invention idea isn't brought to life for one of our main challenges, do not fear, because it may come to life in one of our mini builds.
And any invention ideas that we're sent before the end of February 2020 will give kids a chance to win an awesome Ultimaker 3D printer.
Or the chance to win one for their school. So if you like crazy ideas like this, then this is the channel for you.
And this month's challenge is supported by the awesome folks at OKDo.
So we want kids' invention ideas for morning machines, inventions to start your day.
Just like Eric's jam-firing rocket that we built, so check out our website to enter this challenge.
So it's almost New Year and we want to use Courtney's giant crossbow that we used to escape a tower with.
And we're going to fire a flaming arrow to hopefully set fire to something bang on the stroke of midnight.
Let's go!
So it's 5 minutes to midnight on New Year's Eve and we've got our giant crossbow set up and ready to fire.
And all we need to do is light our flaming arrow and aim it at our 2020 side. Let's go.
At New Year, some people like to set off fireworks. We set off giant flaming crossbows.
We've got fire.
Okay, we're in place for the trigger.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Let's do it again! More fire!
We have to wait until 2021, Ruth.
More fire, more fire!
We are very excited in 2020 to be building loads more crazy inventions designed by kids.
So if you like that sort of thing, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you next time. Bye!
Don't forget to like and subscribe.